These are the kind of shoes that make you look like you have your whole life together, even if you're running on coffee and good intentions. Meet these C.Paravano Slingback Mary Jane flats, square toe, double straps, and that timeless polished vibe that instantly makes an outfit feel finished. First of all, the memory foam cushioning. Yes, please. Because I love a cute shoe, but I'm not suffering for it. No, not at this age, not on this schedule. And the adjustable double straps are everything because some days your feet are feeling a little opinionated. So you can fine tune the fit and still feel secure, not squeezed. They've got a low little heel and about an inch, so you get that elevated look without doing the most, you know. So, plus the non slip outsole, which I personally consider a public service. Office, dinner, wedding, errands. These transition just like a dream, classic, elegant, and secretly so comfortable. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. Have a great day.